Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can transfer your USDT from Binance to Gate.io. First of all, if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. So go to the Binance app and then click on this wallet button. And then from the spot or the funding section, click on this withdraw button. When you click on this withdraw button, it'll give you an option to select the currency. In my case, I'm selecting USDT and then clicking on Send via Crypto Network. And this section will appear where you'll need to enter your address, network, and withdrawal amount. To get your address, you'll need to go to your Gate.io account. Then go to your Gate.io account, click on this deposit button, and select On-Chain Deposit. When you select On-Chain Deposit, this screen will appear for you to select your deposit account. The coin you'll select here will be USDT because you selected the same coin on Binance. After selecting USDT, select the desired network. When you select your coin and your network, this screen will appear. And after a few seconds, you'll get your address. And then go back to your Binance and enter your address and your network. The network here should be the same as the one you selected on Gate.io. So enter the same network, the same address, enter your amount, and then click on withdraw. And you'll be able to withdraw your money from Binance to Gate.io. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And if you like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.